to see how I made this peppered steak pasta? Well, keep watching.
Just come to Aldi to see what savvy meal I can cook up tonight. First off, going to grab myself a red pepper and they're 59p. Then I'm going to grab myself an onion, and now they're doing them singly. Next on the list is some mushrooms, so I'm going to go for these, which are 30% off. I'm going to grab myself some peppercorn sauce, 39p. Some thin cut beef steaks at 3.69, and finally some penne pasta at 41p. So I'm going to be making some peppered steak pasta, so let's get to the tills and tot it up. So that came to £5.88, so let's get it home and cook it up.
Right, so I'm back home now. £5.88 I didn't think was bad for all those ingredients. And this is going to be really tasty. You could have made the peppercorn sauce yourself, it's totally up to you, but I just think it's easier like that. So I'm going to start off with getting this mix into, it says 300 on here, but that's for thicker. So I'm going to be using 400 mils. So let's get that open. I'm going to stick that in some milk. Then I'm going to get my onion and cut that up, and also my red pepper. Next, I'm going to slice up my beef steaks just into long strips. So I'm going to put half the pasta into some boiling water, and in a nice hot oiled pan, I'm going to get the onions and the peppers, the mushrooms, and I'm going to add in some garlic. Give that a good mix and fry those off. Once they're cooked, I'm just going to transfer those to a plate. Then add my steak to the pan. Then we're going to fry this off. Also adding in some salt and pepper. Now it's all browned off, I'm going to add my peppered steak sauce mixture. And guys, while you're there, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? Now that's bubbling, I'm just going to re-add my veg to the pan, like so. Give it a good mix up. Turn that right down to low. Pop a top on and just let that simmer away. Once the pasta's drained, add it to the pan, pop the top on and just give it 5 more minutes. And that is ready to serve up. Look at that, an absolutely massive portion of steak, peppers, onions and mushrooms and a beautiful pepper sauce. So let's get this onto a plate. If you don't like any of the veg, you can change them. If you use green pepper if you like, or use them both. Whatever your preference is. Absolutely tastes wonderful. Why not give it a go? That sauce is beautiful.